In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people to your Monday.com workspace. If you need to add a teammate, client, or collaborator to Monday.com, the process is straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to invite someone into the right area so they can access the board or workspace you want to share. To begin, open your Monday.com workspace and make sure you're logged into the correct account. This is important, especially if you manage more than one workspace or switch between different boards regularly. Once you're inside Monday.com, navigate to the specific board or workspace where you want to add people. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct location before sending the invitation, because access is usually tied to the exact board or workspace you choose. Once you're there, look for the Invite or Share option. Depending on your layout, this may appear near the top of the page or in a menu associated with the board or workspace. Click that option to open the sharing and invitation settings. This is where you'll control who gets access and what level of visibility they'll have. Next, enter the person's email address in the invitation field. Be careful when typing this, since even a small mistake can send the invite to the wrong person or prevent it from being delivered. If you're inviting more than one person, make sure each email address is entered correctly before moving on. After that, choose the person's access level. This step matters because it determines what they can see or do once they join. For example, some access levels allow a person to only view content, while others may let them edit or collaborate more actively. Choose the level that best fits the role they need to have in that board or workspace. When everything looks correct, send the invitation. At this point, Monday.com will deliver the invite so the person can join using their email. If needed, you can let them know to check their inbox for the invitation message. Finally, confirm that the person appears in your board or workspace after the invitation is processed. This helps you verify that the access was added successfully. If they don't appear right away, give it a moment and refresh if necessary. And that's it. That's how to invite people to your Monday.com workspace quickly and correctly.